in today's tutorial. I'm going to show you guys how to add a logo effect on your VLC Media Player media. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Tools tab at the top, and then select Effects and Filters. And then you want to select the Video Effects tab, and then select the Overlay tab. Select Add Logo, and you can input that logo by selecting the little dotted icon next to it, located on your computer, and then you can adjust where it appears on your screen as well as the opacity level for it. You would select Save to save it, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.